Hey everyone. Welcome back to my new video and Takrim Media.
Top New Collection, Artsy Boat Submarine, Reviews 2026.
Number 4.
Features, a vivid color and in small size. Suitable for indoor and outdoor activities. It can go up and down, forward and backward, turn left and right, and do 360-degree turning around like a real one. 3 motors installed to control the static diving, propeller rudder system respectively. Single drive screw propeller system, enabling the submarine to move forward, backward, left, and right.
Number 3.
Submarine toy. This RC submarine can drive on water surface or dive into water under instructions from remote control, just like a real submarine sailing in ocean. Great toy gift for kids. Remote control function: go forward, go back, turn left to right, diving, floating up, charging time, 30 minutes, remote control distance, 3m and 9.8. Powered by Submarine, built-in 3.7V and 90 mAh Li-ion battery.
Number 2.
Mini Artsy boat toy for kids. Features, a realistic nuclear submarine design with LED lights. Easy radio control delivers smooth sailing and diving fun. Durable, water-safe construction ensures hours of play. Perfect gift for children, encouraging imagination, coordination, and exciting indoor or outdoor water adventures for young explorers.
Number 1.
Feature: are you still worrying about how to choose a beautiful gift for your child's birthday or upcoming holiday? Then don't miss this Happycow 777 to 586 analog series radio remote control boat submarine toy. Using high-quality plastic material, exquisite workmanship, not easy to break due to accidental collisions and heavy blows. The beautiful design and eye-catching style are suitable for any curious child.
If you enjoy this content and want to see more type of content, be sure to hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.